Surprise!
I found something that wasn't listed in the release notes. Yes, top cover control has been added. My DIY cable is fully supported.
Yes. New top cover detected. View top cover settings on the control page. Next. Okay. Tap to enter top cover control page. Got it. Okay. It is now a new top cover control in the control pages. There are two options. The first one is exhaust fan speed, and the other is recirculation fan speed. We can now control both fans from the touchscreen. With my DIY cable, I've installed a new recirculation fan. Yes. It is driven by 12 volt with a inline buck converters, as well as the exhaust fan here. Let's see how it works. So silent. Even 10%. Well controlled. 30. 50. 80. And 100. You want to hear the 100, the sound, the noise, 100 speed. This is the model number. Put it down here. Let's focus here. Test the exhaust fan. 30. Let's see, it's spinning. 50. Even 100. Crazy. This is the one with 6,000 something RPMs model. Of course, we can slow it down. Let's work together. We can control down independently. This is 100, the recirculation fan, and 30% for the exhaust fan, or vice versa. 30 for recirculation, 100 for exhaust. You can hear, it's very crazy. Stop it. I bought a new one, a new exhaust fan for a silenced one from the same brand, waiting for the shipment. Stop it. Yes. Here, the control pages at the bottom. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.
If you found this helpful or fun, like, comment, subscribe.